Welcome to my channel. In today's video I would like to show you 3 monoculars that are quite popular, and I would like to show you a little test at the distance of 1 kilometer and 600 meters. And the first one, the blue one, is Bresser Nautic 8x25. The second one is Vortex Solo. It's 10x25. And the smallest one, Carson, it's a zoom, so from 7 times magnification to 21 times by 21. So it's the smallest. The lens has got only 21 millimeters. Here is they both have got 25 millimeters. So the distance is almost 2 kilometers, and let's see. Bresser Nautic now Vortex, which is more powerful, 10 times magnification. And the most powerful, it's got 21 times magnification, but here what I show you is 14 times magnification. One more time. So, I would like to explain something. You can say that the Carson is the best because it's the smallest, the cheapest. In my country it costs about $35. Bresser Nautic, the first one, costs about $50, and for Vortex you must pay $100. It's not so easy because this one, the Carson, is so cheap because it's not waterproof. So it's one of the main reasons. Next one, what I like very much as far as Vortex and Bresser are concerned is the distance between eyepiece and your eye. You don't have to push the eyepiece into your eye. There is 15 millimeters of distance, and Carson, this one, has got this distance too. It's called eye relief, but only if you set the magnification at 7 or at 10 times. If you go further, like 14 or more, you must push it into your eye because you won't see the whole field of view. And the field of view in this one, in Carson, is the most narrow. Here, these two guys have got very large field of view in relation to this one. So this one is the cheapest. It seems to be the most powerful, but it's not waterproof like these two guys. You must push it into your eyes. You must touch it with your eye if you want to see the whole field of view. And one more thing, the quality of image. Bresser is very bright. Vortex is also very bright. They are very similar. This one is not so bright. Perhaps you won't see it very good through the camera, but there is some difference. I tested them also at dawn and at dusk, and I must say that Carson is not so bright and isn't very sharp, especially if you set the magnification at 14 or even 20. What about the power? Carson seems to be much more powerful than this one. So I tested the power many times, and I must say that yes, it's got a slight edge. You can see in Carson a little bit more details than in these two monoculars, but the difference is not big. It's not like binoculars, a pair of binoculars which have got 16 or 20 times magnification. There is a difference, but the loss of brightness and the loss of sharpness makes the difference very little, I would say. Here you've got the image which is bright and sharp. Perhaps you would ask why Bresser Nautic costs only $50 and Vortex $100. I don't know. I suppose that perhaps because Vortex has got lifetime warranty and Bresser 10 years warranty. I can't see any difference as to the quality of image or if we talk about the quality of build. I must say that if I bought 10 times magnification from Bresser, because you can buy 10 by 25 instead of 8 by 25. This is 8 by 25. In that case, there is no so much exit eye relief. The eye relief in other model, which is more powerful from Bresser, is not so big. So here it's comfortable because it's like Vortex, but the model is 8 by 10. If you bought 10 by 25, the eye relief would be smaller. So if you want 8 by 25, you can really go for this one, Bresser Nautic, because it's much cheaper and the quality of build and the quality of image are the same, in my opinion. But if you want 10 times magnification by 25, I would go for Vortex, because the eye relief, the distance between your eye and the eye lens is bigger, so it's more comfortable to observe. Thank you. That's all.